Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So the hashtag Justice for Namhla is finally gaining momentum in trying to get the abusers and alleged killer of Namhla Mtu behind bars. Namhla Mtu was shot 9 times and killed in a parking lot in Mthatha home, and it is suspected that the boyfriend BF Mfesane might be involved in her killing. Celebrities such as Gogo Maweni have shown support to the family of Tletse and also asking for her killer to be jailed. Gogo Maweni said that the suspected boyfriend Bhekuzulu Mfesane has been arrested. You guys, Gogo Maweni shared the news on her Twitter. She wrote this. He is arrested. Now, there you have it, guys. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. And also, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. I'll definitely see you on my next upload. And may Tlhatla find justice.